children, I hope you all are good and fine. Today in the GK we are going to discuss chapter number 17 of the GK and the name of the chapter is languages. Languages की बात करें, so it is an accepted set of spoken and written symbols that reflect the ideas and culture of the people who speak it, है ना. भाषा से पता चल जाता है इनका कल्चर क्या है, क्या आइडियाज है, कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं. So today this term is extended to cover many forms of the non-human communication and as well as such as computer language also. So what we have to do? We have to match these language correctly to their countries and we have to be very carefully because some languages are spoken in more than one country. So let's start the exercise. सबसे पहले आपकी लैंग्वेज आती है क्विचुआ. क्विचुआ जो है that is spoken in पेरू, बोलिविया, यूकेडर, कोलंबिया, अर्जेंटीना. So ये तो सामने ही मैच हो गया. Then आपकी सेकेंड लैंग्वेज आती है अम्हारिक. अम्हारिक is speaking in the Ethiopia. So I से मैच करेंगे, ठीक है. Then Shona is speaking in Botswana, Zambia, Mozambique, etc. तो हम जे से मैच करेंगे इसे, ठीक है. इसके आगे जे आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं. Then Khmer is speaking in कंबोडिया. सो कंबोडिया से मैच करेंगे एच. नाउ मूविंग टू द फिफ्थ वन. फिफ्थ लैंग्वेज इज ज़ुलू. ज़ुलू इज स्पीकिंग इन साउथ अफ्रीका एंड देन वी विल मैच विद द जी. एंड देन पुश्तो इज स्पीकिंग इन अफगानिस्तान, सो वी विल मैच विद एन. एंड देन स्वाहिल इज स्पीकिंग इन केनिया, so we will match with Kenya. Here C. Dogri is speaking in Jammu and Kashmir in India, so we will match with B. Tulu is speaking also in India, that is in the Kerala and Karnataka, so we will match with K here. Now moving to the 10th language is Basque. Basque is speaking in the France and Spain. So here we will match with the L. And then Sinhala is the official language also of Sri Lanka, so that is going to match with M. Hebrew is the language of Israel, so where is Israel? E. Hebrew. And then Piraha is the language of Brazil, so we will match with the F. Brazil. And then last Ta, that is the language of Zimbabwe and Botswana, so we will match with D. Now moving to the Know It. Know It पे देखो बेटा, आपको दिया हुआ है Larus and then Zamenhof. A Polish occultist created a language in the 19th century in the hope that it would become the international language that would unify the different people. He based it on common principle of various European language. It was called the Esperanto. Today Esperanto has over 100,000 speakers all over the world. Books and journals are published in the Esperanto language. So that was tried to become the universal language. That's end for the chapter. I hope you understand. Learn the exercise carefully.